it's Denise Mai Real Estate. I'm here at 6174 Bruce Street. This brand new home that's only 1 year old, located in the heart of Killarney. Come on in and let me give you a tour. Attention investors, if you are looking for investment property, this is it. You've got 3 potential rental suites. Here on the main floor, you've got 2 bedrooms plus a bathroom, and look at this beautiful open concept. Upstairs could be a 1-bedroom suite, and downstairs, you've also got a 1-bedroom suite, all self-contained. So what's amazing, can almost generate over $4,500 a month in rental income. What more can you ask for? Here is the potential 1-bedroom suite that you can use to rent out or keep for yourself. Again, this home is located in the heart of East Vancouver, in the middle of Killarney, 10 minutes to Richmond, 10 minutes to Metrotown, as well 10 minutes to Vancouver. This home is perfect if you are an investor or a family who wants to move in. Let me know, because this one is brand new with new home warranty. This area is absolutely amazing, close to transit, close to a bus route, restaurants, and everything that you need. If you'd like to book an appointment, feel free to call, text, or email me. My name is Denise Mai, and I'm happy to arrange a private viewing for you.